All right. We're talking about creating a little bitty lick using the pentatonic scale. And we're only going to use the two notes on the A string, just two notes. We've got a C, and then we've got an open string, A, those two notes. So here's what I'm doing. Let me let Deborah in. Okay. Let me narrow this down for you. I'm holding the C note and plucking, and then I'm pulling off with my left hand. Pluck, and then literally I'm pulling, I was going to do like this. I'm pulling downward. I know, because down and up on the ukulele, because I'm holding this up, pulling down. Can you see like this? It's actually, in this position, it's not down, is it? It's more like this away. Let's just practice this. Nothing with the right hand. Just use your ring finger to pull off that string, like that. Pull off. And you're probably going to have to toggle it and work with it to find the way that works for you. Pull off. Now, let's pluck, pull off, pluck, pull off, pluck, pull off. And you got yourself a lick. Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Something like that.